Okay, so hopefully you can see this. Keep it on center. The fireworks display. The official closing of the Pushkar Camal Fair. And I don't know if you can see it in the video, but well, where there's fireworks, there's a lot of smoke. And that is one place I would not want to be. So I'm filming this from the rooftop of my hotel. The good part about coming to India and seeing all these festivals is the color, pageantry, and just it's incredible. The bad part is where there's festivals, there's a lot of smoke, whether it be from incense, cooking fires, or fireworks, and such. It's there's a lot of smoke when you're around festivals. So Diwali, when I was in Delhi, wow, downtown, great sight to see, but the smoke is is hard on the lungs. So yeah, if you carry a really good mask with you that can filter that out, then you'd probably do okay. Otherwise, just kind of avoid it. In the marketplace, every day, all day, people are cooking in the marketplace on open fires, and that's the way it is. So, and with that, you get all the smoke from those cooking fires, and they're everywhere with the huge crowds and everything. So that's what you deal with. Hey. And just out of humor, I'll say that, wow, the most used word in India that I've seen is the word hello. Hello on your cell phone. Hello, can you see me? It just a lot of hellos. So that's the most common word I think used in India is hello. Even at the fair, when they're doing the sound checks on the stage system, they don't say sound check 1 2 3 4. They say hello. So Sprint, listen up. Can you hear me now? Hello, can you hear me now? Or was that Verizon? And for those interested about SIM cards, yes, you can get a local SIM card here. They often say that you can't if you're a foreigner, but that's really not true. You just take your passport or the photocopy of your passport, as I explained above, and you take your passport and you take the hotel manager's name, the hotel information, address, telephone number, and so on, and you can get your local SIM card just like a resident. So that's how you do it. And if you want to save yourself a whole lot of trouble, like at the hotel Teeth Palace where I'm at, well, you just ask them if they would do it for you and or assist you in doing it, and they would get it done really quick, really easy. I haven't done that myself. I thought it was more complicated than what it was, but go to the hotel. And if you want train tickets, you know, they talk about it a lot on the internet, how hard it is to get train tickets. And if you try to do it online from home, yes, it's going to be hard. You're going to have to wait, and it's just, well, what a pain in the butt. So what you do, if you want train tickets, you want a sleeper train, you want to go anywhere in India, come to India. Go to your hotel manager, and like I am at the Teeth Palace Hotel, and he just said, where you want to go? He looks it up on the computer and says, here's your departure time, your arrival time, and here's your price and everything. And well, they'll book it for you. They'll go down to the train station and actually pick the tickets up for you too. So you can go anywhere you want on trains. It's super easy. Super easy. So I've got a couple more trains booked. Pretty cheap. Traveling on train. And, you know, like 50, 60 bucks for a sleeper car. So it's very easy. Just do it here. The other thing that's easy to do that they don't tell you about is I lost my train of thought. Booking any of your travel. You know, you don't have to go to bookings.com. I use booking.com a lot, but I just go to the hotel where I'm staying, and I tell them where I want to go, and you know, they'll book all the tickets. They'll book the airline tickets. They'll book all the tickets. They'll even book out your hotels for you, and they'll supply you with the drivers. You know, if you want to be driven anywhere, even across the country. But also, there are travel agents all over the place. I mean, it's like everybody's a travel agent. But they have travel agents everywhere. And you just walk in and say, I'd like to make an inquiry. I want to go here, go there. And they can book it all right there. Bus tours, you know, multi-day buses, day buses. I mean, everything. So travel is really easy. And yet I spent days trying to figure out how to get from one place to another. And, you know, I just about gave up. And hotel owner says, look, it's easy. Where you want to go? I can book all that for you. So, yeah. And, no, I don't see where they're making a commission off of it either. But like they say here at the hotel, no. You come to us, your family. You don't go anywhere else. I'll take care of you. And they do. So India can be just really easy. Really easy. Just don't try to do it all from the U.S. That's hard. Now I've got a hotel booked just at the last minute. There's another hotel across this city that is, wow, it's like it's a brand new hotel. I'd call it a 4-star. Swimming pool, green grass up towards the hills, and $22 a night. Wow, I toured the hotel a couple days ago because I was interested in it, and they drove me down and showed me around. So nice, I wanted to stay. So in my travels, I'm coming back to this place when there's not that many people, and I'll rest up for another 5 days and in December, and in a very nice hotel for $22 a night US. Wow. Yeah, very nice hotel. So there's something to be said there about hotels. You can use bookings, whatever app you want to use, but I'm here to tell you too that if you just show up and you want to go someplace, you need hotel reservations, do it when you're here, and go to the management of the hotel that you're at, and it's amazing how much the price can drop. Really amazing. So he's booking me in this hotel for half the price of anybody else because, like he says, you're family. It just, wow. And I'd say the hotel is more along the lines of probably $100, $125 a night type hotel, and might not be a 5-star, but it'd be dang close to being a 5-star. Yeah, for $22. Well, and I've seen budget hotels here for $10 a night. Pretty nice, not bad. There are budget, like a hostel. And then I compare this brand new hotel for $22. And it's like, oh my God. It's maybe a kilometer outside of town. But there's tuk-tuks everywhere anyway. Now this fireworks display is held over the lake, the Holy Lake. Wow. And it looked like they really rolled it out. Now this is the end of the Pushkar Fair, and now they're entering into another festival time, which is a holy festival, and people are just coming in. Oh, wow. Unbelievable how much the population has surged overnight. So they got a lot going down at the lake, the bathing rituals and all of that. I won't be filming any of that. I check out in the morning, and I'm going with some friends to a desert camp. So we'll see how that goes, and maybe get some videos. In Seattle, you do a fantastic job on your fireworks displays, like New Year's. Fabulous. This is pretty amazing here. This is a third world country or a fourth world country. Yeah, I don't know what it's classified as, but they are really putting it out there. They really are. It's a good show. Okay, so this fireworks display could end up going on and on for quite some time. I got an idea. This could keep on going for an hour or longer. So I'm going to end the video here, and I hope everybody has enjoyed the fireworks display. My last day in Pushkar for the fair anyway. And end it with a bang. So, my name is Roland. I'm your host, and my today is your yesterday. That makes tomorrow a brand new day. So I'm going to say good morning, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Well, I just can't shut it off yet.